everybody, hi, it is Danae. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, actually. We haven't seen each other in a while, at least I didn't. I went to see my family and I pre-filmed a couple of videos so that I could work while being away. So that's why I haven't seen you in a while. So hello, how's it going? I'm hoping you had a great summer. Today we're gonna go back to the decluttering zone. Only this time we are going to be decluttering and organizing my digital life. I have a couple of hard drives that are kind of a mess, not a huge mess. So today we are going to be decluttering them, actually organizing them. Maybe some decluttering, but mostly organizing. So let me explain to you how it goes. So far I have 4 hard drives. One 500 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, one 2 terabytes, and one 4 terabytes. The 500 gigabyte is my working hard drive. The 4 terabyte one is the one that I'm going to be using to store all of my data there, like as a backup hard drive. I want to put all of my YouTube stuff on the 2 terabyte hard drive and basically have that one only for YouTube. Now, when it comes to its organization, chronologically and separated into the 2 channels. So that leaves the 1 terabyte for documents and photos. I also want to separate that chronologically so that the organization makes sense when I want to expand my hard drive collection and I don't need to do file transfers all the time. But anyway, enough talking. I'll go now and we're going to get organizing. So, hello, we're here now. Let me... 500, 2 tera, 1 tera, 4 tera. So I just started my screen recording and we're gonna go through the files. YouTube channel and cover channel. Okay, now let's do this again here. So, YouTube, that's good. Now, I need a paper. Documents, countries, medical, entertainment, Greece, USA, software, and then we have schools. So I'm back. I found it. I'm gonna do entertainment, media. So music gets in there, and now videos, work-related videos go out. And videos goes to media. Singing. Oh. I was not feeling it. Video work we're gonna put, and music work I'm gonna put. So from our videos we're gonna take singing and put it in music work and make a folder where it is audition, old auditions. Games and books are going to media. So now I am kind of renaming. So I think this is good organization. I do like that. So now what I'm gonna do is transfer from the 500 gigabytes to the 4 terabyte so that I can delete stuff and then they are backed up. As you can see, I don't like to have a lot of folders because I think it's just too much. Hello, it is the next day and we're going to start transferring things again. I finished with the 500 gigabyte yesterday. Now the process is that we're transferring from the 4 tera one to the 1 tera, from the 4 tera to the 1 tera. The 4 tera one now has everything. And then when the transfer of the documents is done, we can delete it from the 2 tera. So one touch is the big boy. So Toshiba is Toshiba X 1 tera, 4 tera. Right, let's take the Toshiba and we're going to organize it now. So open the documents. Movies? What? They have movies? I have movies. Wow. I can, as a matter of fact, delete this. And now you have more space. Right? Empty this. Yes. Complete. Ah, de bravo. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Where were we? 2021. Move. Oh my goodness. This is just craziness. Now you're gonna see it getting empty. There's a lot of waiting around happening. That's what it is. I think when this finishes and this finishes, 5 hours, man. I think we can stop this video and I will see you again when the things have transferred, being deleted, etc, etc. Bye. It is day 3 and guess who hasn't finished yet with moving around their data? This girl. So yesterday, funny story, the hard drive got disconnected 3 times while I was transferring those 3-hour files that I wanted to. Yes, very funny, very entertaining. So preparing to import from iPhone, we're going to do that. And now we are transferring a couple of documents and files I have from the computer to the hard drives. And songs 2019, 2020. So I just finished putting the phone pictures in here. Took me quite a while. And now we are going to transfer some of the videos in here. And then I think we can start working finally. Crazy, huh? After 3 days, I managed to finish the transfer, and I hope you guys were inspired to declutter your digital life and organize your digital life. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! Will inspire you to ditch ladder.